viewers, welcome to my online class. How are you? I think all are fine. One thing remember, the COVID-19 patients has been increasing day by day. So don't go outside from your home, stay at home and stay safe.
Dear boys, you can see a picture of Mendel, so you can understand what is my today's topic. Yes, now I will discuss Mendel's law. Georg Johann Mendel, born in 1822 and died in 1884. He was a monk of Austrian. His father was a poor farmer. He discovered the basic principles of heredity, so he is known as the father of genetics. He studied with pea plants from the monastery garden for 7 years. He selected pea plants because it is easy to cultivate in garden, it is available, it reproduces quickly. As self-fertilization is present, usually characters remain conserved. Flowers are large, so conducting artificial pollination is easier. Mendel cultivated 34 varieties of pea plants in his garden. For 7 years, Mendel bred pea plants and recorded inheritance patterns in the offspring. He prepared a research papers on his works and presented it to the Natural History of Brunn. At that time, his work was not established. After a long time of his death, three scientists, Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and Sestermark, rediscovered his work. Okay, some terminology. You have to need it when you will study Mendel's law. First, gene. What is gene? Fragment of DNA is called gene. It is the basic and functional unit of genetics which remains different characteristics from one generation to another. Then locus. The place of chromosome where a gene is found is called locus. Dominant traits. Their traits are expressed. Actually, the characters that are expressed in the heterozygous organism of F1 generation, actually even traits controlled by one pair of gene. These two genes, one is strong and one another is weak. If F1 generation strong gene is strong and weak gene is present, then strong gene is expressed that trait, so it is their dominant character. Recessive traits, their traits are covered up. Actually, those characters that remain dormant in the F1 heterozygous organism. I mean, the weak gene is called recessive gene. He will give the details idea when I discuss the Mendel's law. Punnett square show how crosses are made of. Actually, it is also known as checkerboard. It is a special kind of chart that is used to present the outcomes of a genetic experiment. The result of F1 or F2 is shown here. You will see it when I discuss Mendel's second law. I will uh, chart the, uh, the result of F2 relation of Mendel's second law. I will show it in Mendel's second law. Genotype, the overall genetic structure inherited from the parents, is called genotype. Phenotype is the external features. It is the expressed features of an organism. Yeah, you can see it from outside. Its color, its size. That's the call its phenotype. Homozygous. When the same type of gene is responsible for a particular character is called homozygous. Heterozygous, two different alleles or genes. When different type of gene is responsible for a particular character is called heterozygous. Monohybrid cause. The cross between two organisms having only one pair of constructing character is called a monohybrid cause. And dihybrid cause, when two organisms having two pairs of constructing characteristics is called a dihybrid cause. Now Mendel's first law. In a hybrid organism, the factors or genes of opposite characters remain unchanged and separate from each other during gamete formation. This law is also called monohybrid call or cross or law of segregation. Monohybrid means a cross between two organisms having only one pair of constructing character is called a monohybrid cross. I have already discussed it. Then the example of explain of first law. Okay, Mendel select two guinea pig. One is black guinea pig and another is brown guinea pig. When cross this guinea pig, black is the male guinea pig and brown color is the female guinea pig. Now, black and brown, this color you can see easily from outside. So it is their phenotypic characters. And black is uh, responsible for those genes are called genotype. So we know every character is responsible for two genes. So black is for two capital B, and brown color is two small b. This B is strong, so it is their dominant characters, and this B is weak, so it is their recessive characters. So from this we get two types of gamete, but they are same. Uh, this gamete is same, so it is called homozygous gamete, and this is also a homozygous gamete. So if you cross this gamete, then you will get one capital B and one small b get together, but do not mix with other. Also, you will get four generation, four zygote. One is uh, all are double, all are capital B and small b. So B is the dominant character. So B is responsible for black color. So all are black. Now you can cross the F1 generation. It is called F1 generation. Then you have to find out second generation. So all are black. You can see this picture. Now you have to cross these two guinea pigs, then B and B, then two types of gamete, B and B. These are the called heterozygous gamete because they are not same. One is strong and another is weak. Then you get two different types of gamete. You have also here two different types of gamete. Then you can cross it. Then you will get the generation. Then this is the called checkerboard. Then here I write the male gamete, and here is write the female gamete. So if you cross, then B and B equal to 2B, but all are equal. So it is the homozygous condition, and B is strong, so it is black color, so it is black color. And here is B and B, then capital B and small b, but capital B is black, so it is black. Then it is also black. So one is pure black, and another two is heterozygous black, and one another is B and B, but B is brown color. There is no black color, so it is brown. It is the recessive character, so brown. So its phenotypic character is three black and one brown. So its ratio is 3:1. But its genotypic characters, one is double B capital, and two black is one capital B and another small b, and another is two small b, that is bound. So its genotypic character is 1:2:1. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1, and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. You can see it. Then three guinea pig, but these are all black, but they are different genotype, and one is brown. Okay, it's another example of monohybrid cross. Uh, it is cross between two plants. One is tall and another is dwarf. Tall is responsible homozygous condition T gene, and dwarf is small t. So we get one gamete, one type of gamete, that's capital T, and is small t. Then cross, then you will get heterozygous plant. But T is the dominant character, so all are tall. Then you can cross between these two, then you will get also uh, three tall and one small. So its ratio is 3:1. You can see this picture. Now Mendel's second law. Members from F1 generation express only the dominant traits while conducting a cross between two or more opposite traits. But later during gamete production, the traits will break into pair and be arranged independently of each other. This is also called dihybrid cross or law of independent assortment. Okay, genetic explanation. Let's say B is the gene responsible for black color and B is the for brown color. So it is the short and so we cross between these two guinea pigs. One is black and short hair. Two different characters, black and short hair in one guinea pig, male guinea pig whose body bears two different color, black and short, and another female, brown and long hair. We know every character is responsible for two genes. So B is for capital B and short hair is for two S, capital S. Brown is also responsible to small b and long hair is too small s. These are their recessive characters and these are their dominant character. Now we get two different types of gamete, BS and BS. They are separate and compare with each other. BS and BS. Also BS and BS. Then you can cross. Then if you got all are black and short hair because BS and BS cross, then B double capital B and small b, capital S and small s, all are same, but B is the dominant character and capital S is the dominant character. So B is responsible for black color, so black, and S is responsible for short hair, so all are short hair. Now you have to cross between F1 and F1 generation, members of F1 generation. Now we cross members of F1 generation, then we get four types of gamete, because their breakdown, their pairs are mixed with each other. It's a main theme of Mendel's second law. So BS and BS and BS, we get also these four types of gamete. Then you can cross. This is our checkerboard. This is our checkerboard. Then we write down the male gametes in upper portion and left side is female gamete. Then cross BBSS, but we got 16 types of offspring, different types of offspring. Then we know BBSS, B equals black, so black, and S equals short hair, so short hair. BBSS, if only one dominant gene is present, then its color is expressed. So B is B double B black, but only one capital S present, but this capital S is their dominant character. So its characters will be short hair. So black and short hair. It also only two capital, that is short hair, but only one capital B present. But it is the dominant character, a strong character. So it is express their color. I mean black. So black and short. Same thing. But if you see this picture, BB and SS. B means black, but S, small is means long hair. There is no dominant character. So it will be black and long. It also B means black, S means short, B means black and S means long. Also black and short. But if you see this chart, then BB small b means brown. That is, there is no dominant B. So brown is the main, and here capital S present, so it will be short hair. So brown and short hair, we get brown and short hair gamete, zygote, and then spring. Then BBSS. BB means brown and one capital dominant S present, so it is short. It is also brown and short, but look this condition, all small gamete is present here. BB means brown and small ss means long. That is, we get the parents gamete, offspring here, the gamete. The phenotypic ratio is black and short. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And black and long, 1, 2, 3. 3. So 9 is to 3. then brown and short 3. So 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 is the it is the Mendel's second law of phenotypic ratio. So what is the phenotypic ratio of Mendel's second law? 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. But you can say what is the genotypic ratio in F2 generation? It is the result of F2 generation. BBSS, we get BBSS1, BB capital S, small s, number 2, number 2, what we can see again this year, BBSS and capital S, and this is the number 2. So BBSS again 2, BBSS 4, BB small ss 1, B capital B, small b, 2 small s 2, BBS is 1, 2 is 1. That is genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. So it is the second law of Mendel's, and it is also called independent assortment or dihybrid cross, because we cross between these two animals who bears two different uh, characters, black and short hair, and another brown and short hair, long hair. So its phenotypic ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, some questions. Look, first question: what is the genotypic ratio of F2 generation of a monohybrid cross? F2 generation of monohybrid cross. 3 is to 1 is their phenotypic cross. So 1 is to 2 is to 1 is the right answer. Second question: what is the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross? Dihybrid means second law. So 2 is to 1 is no, 3 is to 1 is phenotypic ratio of first law. It's C is the genotypic ratio of first law, and 9 is to 3 is to D number question answer is right. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Number 3 question: Mendel discovered the laws of heredity by doing research on which organism? Maize, guinea pig, pea plant, Drosophila. Pea plant is the right answer. What is the scientific name of pea plant? Do you know? Yeah, its scientific name is Pyjam sativum. So what is the scientific name of Pyjam plant? Pyjam sativum is their main answer. Diamase is the maize scientific name. Cavia porcelain is guinea pig. Oryza sativa, rice. Mendel's work was rediscovered by Darwin, Hugo de Vries, Carl Orens. Which one is correct? Darwin 1 and 2? No. 2 and 3. Number C is the main answer. Okay, boys. Your homework. You will submit it next day. What is Mendelism? What is checkerboard? Why Mendel choose pea plant for experiment? Explain it. Why does Mendel's first law is called monohybrid cross? Explain it. You must be submitted tomorrow. Okay, reference. You can also follow this writer's books. Biology second paper by Gaji Azmal. Biology second paper by Dr. Muhammad Abdul Alim, and biology second paper by Professor Dr. Muhammad Fazlul Haq and Professor Muhammad Najimuddin. You can also study these books for your better knowledge, better idea getting. Okay. Okay, boss. Thank you. And again, say, stay at home and stay safe.